Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing the essentials. Get the Tesseract V5 Plus binary for your operating system and confirm it runs from the command line. Next, install Python and pip if you plan to script OCR, then add Tesseract. If you prefer another binding, install that instead. Once done, download the trainer data files for each target language and place them in Tesseract's test data directory so Tesseract can recognize those languages. Make sure your path or test data prefix points to that folder. You now configure and validate Tesseract. Run Tesseract version and check the test data path. If output is wrong, set test data prefix to the test data folder. Then run a quick test. Tesseract input. PNG output LNG PSM3 to see baseline output. If text is messy, preprocess images by resizing to a higher DPI, denoising, or binarizing. These steps improve recognition. Also experiment with config parameters, like OEM and PSM, to match. You finish by integrating Tesseract into your application. Call it via Tesseract, subprocess CLI, or a wrapper and choose output formats like Ocr or TSV. Once integrated, refine accuracy with custom config files, character whitelists, or by training additional data for niche fonts. Make sure to handle text encodings and concurrency limits in production. If something breaks, one key tip: check that the test data version matches the binary, confirm path and permissions, and review Tesseract logs for model or file load errors to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.